welcome to my channel. My name is Dimpolebeko. On today's video we're doing a Takealot unboxing. So to give you context on the video, a few weeks ago I bought a tripod at Takealot to improve my content, to also have a tripod that is easy to hold anywhere or take anywhere, that I can put in my tote bag when going to campus without it taking up a lot of space, like the ring light tripod. So the product costed around 250 rands excluding the delivery. So the box is quite big. I didn't expect it to be this big, and it looks like this. As you can see, I haven't opened it. Yeah, so let's unbox it in the next. So now we're going to open the box. I don't have a pair of scissors, so I'm going to use my nail clip, the part where you use to file your nails, to open the box. I hope I don't damage anything that's inside. I really hope I don't. Yeah, one side done. Then it's this side now. I'm sorry about the noise. My housemates are preparing for the weekend. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Really take a lot. The product looks like this. Out of the packaging, it looks like this, and it has instructions on how to use it and how to low-key bend the legs of the tripod. Then here it is methods of how to use it. You can use it on a phone, on a camera, and on a GoPro. I don't know what a GoPro is. It looks like this. Let's open it. So it comes out like this, and it has this thing which holds your phone. It's strong, so I don't have to worry about my phone falling out of the tripod. Okay, it has, this is what it looks like. I hope you can see it. This is where you attach this thing. You see, you can change angles depending on which angle you want. It has these legs. It's not heavy. I wouldn't say I like the color, but it's convenient, you know. And you can also do this to the legs when you're taking videos outside. It's not heavy, meaning that I can hold it for a long period of time when taking clips or shooting videos. Is it worth it? Definitely. So this is removable. The head, you can remove this and put this one on like this and take videos. I think this one too is adjustable in terms of it being tight or loose, so that the legs can stand in whatever direction you want them to stand in. So yeah, and you can also attach it on quite easily. So yeah guys, this is how it looks. Am I satisfied with the product? Definitely. Am I going to use it? Most def. Whether to shoot videos on campus or to do videos that do not require the long ring light stand. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and your input is much appreciated. Please also use the comment section. I would like to interact with you guys on other products that I can use to improve or elevate my content. We've come to the end of the video. Bye.